Welcome. If you've ever missed an important Gmail call notification, don't worry today, you'll learn exactly how to turn on Gmail call pop-up notifications on your phone. This simple setting can make sure you never miss a call again. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your settings. This is where all your app preferences live, including how notifications behave. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Gmail. This is where you can adjust how Gmail communicates with you, everything from emails to chat and call alerts. It's an area that many people overlook, but it gives you control over which notifications stand out. Now, tap on notifications. This section lets you see all types of alerts Gmail can send, but we're not done yet. We need to go one step deeper to make sure the pop-up notification for calls is turned on. So tap on notification categories. Here you'll see a list of different types of notifications Gmail can send, such as messages, alerts, and ongoing calls. Look for the option that says changes to ongoing call. This part controls notifications for active Gmail calls. It's usually turned off by default, which is why you might not have been seeing those call pop-ups. Finally, toggle show as pop-up on. Once you do this, your phone will display Gmail call notifications as pop-ups right on your screen, even if you're using another app. That means you'll never miss an incoming call again, no matter what you're doing. That's it. You've successfully turned on Gmail call pop-up notifications. Now, when someone calls you through Gmail, you'll get a clear, easy to see alert right away. If you found this helpful, remember to share it with others who might be missing their Gmail call alerts too. Thanks for watching.